Here are the top 10 largest recorded earthquakes in the world along with the number of people who died and the estimated cost of losses. 1. Valdivia, Chile, May 22, 1960, magnitude 9.5. Number of deaths, approximately 1,655. Cost of losses, not available. 2. Prince William Sound, Alaska, March 28, 1964, magnitude 9.2. Number of deaths, 131. Cost of losses, not available. 3. Sumatra, Indonesia, December 26, 2004, magnitude 9.1. Number of deaths, approximately 230,000. Cost of losses, billions of dollars. 4. Kamchatka, Russia, November 4, 1952, magnitude 9.0. Number of deaths, not available. Cost of losses, not available. 5. Off the coast of Central America, September 1, 1939, magnitude 8.9. Number of deaths, not available. Cost of losses, not available. 6. Near the east coast of Honshu, Japan, March 11, 2011, magnitude 9.0. Number of deaths, approximately 16,000. Cost of losses, billions of dollars. 7. Alaska Peninsula, USA, March 27, 1964, magnitude 8.6. Number of deaths, not available. Cost of losses, not available. 8. Rat Islands, Alaska, February 4, 1965, magnitude 8.7. Number of deaths, not available. Cost of losses, not available. 9. Offshore Mole, Chile, February 27, 2010, magnitude 8.8. Number of deaths, approximately 521. Cost of losses, billions of dollars. 10. Andronov Islands, Alaska, March 9, 1957, magnitude 8.6. Number of deaths, not available. Cost of losses, not available. Thanks watching Top 10 YouTube channel.